This protocol presents the first visual methodology for etching and cutting plain and dyed aerogel using a laser engraving system.
The main advantage of this technique is its simplicity, as it allows aerogel monoliths of any shape, size, or color to be etched.
Video presentation allows demonstration of the practical considerations of the protocol, including placement of the aerogel and alignment of the laser cutter.
To prepare a mold for aerogel monolith fabrication, select a 3-part steel mold consisting of a top, middle, and bottom part with outer dimensions of 15.24 by 14 centimeters in a 10 by 11 centimeter cavity in the center. The top part of the mold should have 7 0.08 centimeter vent holes on each side. Use diluted soap and a rough textured sponge to scrub the top, middle, and bottom parts of the mold, and dry all of the clean parts of the mold with a paper towel. After drying, use individual disposable acetone-dipped cleaning wipes to wipe the mold until the cleaning wipe remains clean. Next, use 2000 grit sandpaper to lightly sand all of the surfaces until the mold is smooth to the touch and any residue from previous uses has been removed, paying extra attention to the inside of the middle mold where the aerogel is formed. Clear the vent holes on the top mold part with compressed air, and manually apply approximately 2.4 milliliters of high vacuum grease in a thick, even 1 to 2 millimeter layer over the entire top connecting surface of the bottom mold, and approximately 1 milliliter of grease in a thick, even 1 to 2 millimeter layer to the outer half of the bottom.